everyone, today I'm going to show you my new planner in the store, which is Big Little Steps, and I'm going to show you a flip through video of this and what's inside this. I think it's gonna help you with creating a healthy and sustainable planning and productivity thing. It's also going to help you with creating habits and long lasting habits, not just habits. Every month starts with a purpose or perspective to keep you aligned with your dreams and goals. So that's just a rough overview. Now let's see what's all inside this. Big Little Steps is an undated 12-month planner for building momentum, creating habits, and making daily planning a joyful and healthy experience. Begin with a letter to yourself, followed by year at a glance and space for your bucket list. These are fluid spaces to let your imagination flow. Now set your goals and dreams for next 12 months and manifest them with a vision board. Monthly dividers feature cute illustrations with intentions, designed to add purpose or perspective to the picture as you begin each month. These are also interactive spaces for you to write, draw, and have fun. Set your month here, followed by monthly budget planning, where you can add goal, track incomes, expenses, savings, and review it by the end of the month. This space is for building habits. Pick one habit monthly, set a goal, explain its importance, and add it to your routine realistically. Track progress by daily ticks, review it in a month, and don't forget to reward yourself. Each daily spread has space for 4 days, where you can start your day with an affirmation, plan 2 needle moving or non negotiable tasks aligned with your goal, set easy tasks to tick off, and then end your day with a shiny moment. At the end of each month, jot down your monthly reflections here, and this planner comes with 2 sticker sheets. So, this is pretty much all about it. To shop, head to my store in Glasses, or if you have any questions, you can put down in the comments.